Ready?
Welcome to the stage, Master Illusionist, Captain Jim.
Good afternoon. How you doing, everybody? It's now a $100 bill. This goes from Monkey Mad Monkey Money for to a very peaceful location.
Bye-bye. Oh! Oh, that didn't work out too well.
Oh, the dove did not vanish. This is not a real dove. This is a rubber dove. The real dove.
Okay. So damn, that would be that's a ball. Hey, I'm just saying, like, what is a PBJ? And I remember
We definitely are coming back.
strong.